What's going on, YouTube? Coming back at you with another video. Okay, so if you've been paying any attention to this whole Suge Knight situation, you know recently Suge Knight had what seemed like a major win as far as in this $107 million lawsuit that bankrupted him. Suge Knight was sued by Harry O's ex-wife Lydia, $107 million. Suge Knight ordered to pay, basically crippling his entire empire. Recently, however, Lydia, the person who sued him, actually went back to the court and told them that she could not legally sue based on the fact that she was going through a bankruptcy and that her attorneys allegedly knew exactly what was going on, but were basically out for a payday and pulled a fast one. So the judge at that time pretty much essentially wiped Suge Knight's $107 million debt clean. It was a major win for him again. Now, the same judge is deciding to reverse his decision. I'm going to read some of this to you. What they're saying is, and this is coming from the Daily Mail, they're saying Lydia's former law firm, Wasserman, Comden, and Castleman, hit back in legal filings telling the judge their old client had no right to cancel the debt because they are entitled to 40% of the $107 million judgment. So the judge, in a shocking decision, decided to go with them, reverse the sentence, and now the $107 million judgment still stands against Suge Knight. This is crazy to me. This is a very strange situation. The fact that the judge initially was going with Suge Knight and Lydia Harris and basically wiped the debt clean, but now is deciding to reverse his own decision, allow the debt to stand. Suge Knight, again, $107 million in the hole. Not sure how much has been paid, if any, at this point, but the judgment is back in effect. Suge Knight is not going to get a win that easily, it's looking like, which is kind of crazy. I know a lot of people out there were wondering what was going to happen based on the fact that this debt essentially was the reason why Death Row was crippled. So Suge Knight, things still looking ugly at this point. We'll see how this plays out. If there's an appeal, I'm sure there's going to be appeals if it's possible. Not exactly sure what the status is of the situation now, other than the judge deciding to reverse his own ruling. The $107 million against Suge stays. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit the like. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also ring the notification bell before you leave. I definitely appreciate you, though. Peace.